I'm so excited. Oh, yes, I am. I'm about to do an unboxing. Not any old unboxing. This one's quite special. That's it is. Well, I received a box that came in through the post the other day, and it happened to be this box. A manila box. Oh, I wonder what could be inside. In fact, I know what's inside it. It is that. It happens to be a longer Ray 5 20-watt laser. Well, this is a sponsored video, but no money has exchanged hands. No, just the laser. Which obviously I'm very happy about because I can utilise this on a regular basis with many of my videos and actually my work as well. And also my Etsy store. Yeah, it'd be good for that as well, I suppose. So expect to see it in plenty of future videos if it performs well. Because like always, I'll give a honest review. Yeah, if it's shit, I will say it's shit. But if it's not, well then, it's not. So anyway, no further ado, let's carry on, open the old box and see what we've got inside. Yeah. Well, so far so good. Yeah, we're into the box that we are. And we've got some quick start guide on the top here. Yeah, I might need that. Because I've got no experience whatsoever, so I will be watching lots of videos online already about the longer A5 20-watt laser. So I'll use it for engraving and cutting of wood. So you get your quick start guide, declaration of conformity. I'm quite pleased that the quick start guide is quite thin. Yeah, because it means you've got to do a lot. Oh, you've got pretty much got to make it. All right. Okay, I hope there's some assembly instructions because that would be very, very useful. Anyway, I'm going to put this over there. Yeah, keep that safe. And we got there's some high density foam. I'm about peeling off the top, which obviously protects the items inside. Crikey! Oh, that looks interesting. What about that? You get green glasses. I thought with lasers you're supposed to have yellow or orange glasses. But anyway, we will see. So I'll put the rubbish over there. And we will take the items out one by one and see what we've got. We'll lay them out. So, the biggest item I can see is this rail. We have a rail system, which has what looks like stepper motors and some ball race wheels. Well, they're ball raced wheels, basically, on the ends, which I imagine would then fit over some channel, which become the rails. You know what I mean? So, yeah, so step motor on the end there, and... Oh, crikey, it's all getting excited over it. I'm getting a bit too excited there, I think, yeah. And then we have some aluminium extrusions, as you can see there. They're definitely extrusions. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's some Allen bolts in the end of that. So let's place that just there for the moment. Oh, what we've got here. This is obviously the power supply, wrapped up separately with its cable. Okay. And then we have what I would imagine is the controller. The bit you connect to your computer. And there it is, that's the controller. So, yeah, it looks a bit untidy with all this plastic on it, doesn't it? You know, oh, it's pretty underneath though, yeah. So that's your controller. So I'll place that there at the moment, I don't get it damaged, you see. And we then have this other chunky item, which should be the laser itself, and it's a Ray 5 20-watt laser, which I believe includes the air assist. I think the air assist is built in on the 20-watt. I might be wrong, but we will find out, won't we? So, what else we got here? We have a bundle of bits, as in lots of nuts and bolts, screws. There's an SD card in there as well. We have a little ABS, well, a little bit of Perspex block on there with sticky tape on the back. I don't know what that's for. I will find out on its, during the assembly. We have some pieces. They might be pieces of try actually. They might be demonstration pieces maybe to practice on. I'm guessing, obviously. You've got a little tiny spanner in there. I won't be using that. That is it's literally like a little pressed steel spanner. So let's have a quick look. I'm not going to take it all out. Let's see what's in here, and then we'll put it back. So we have some belts, tooth key belts, which are timing belts for the stepper motors, I imagine. We've got this little, this little Perspex block. What is that all about? I don't know. I will find out, I'm sure. And we've got what look appears to be some micro switches. Yep. I'll tell you, bring closer, you see. Little micro switches in there, yeah. So we've got our micro switches. And we have some blocks of, there'll be a little demonstration. Yeah, things to practice on. A bit of birch ply, it looks like. 3 little pieces of birch ply in there. Some Allen keys, a brush. We've got a tickler. Oh, we've got a tickler, have we? Yeah, the brush, there's some tie wraps and stuff like that. So, yeah, stuff to get it all together. Then we've got all these nuts and bolts and clamps and stuff like that. Obviously, I'll put that back in that bag, I think, before I lose it. So it looks actually relatively easy to put together, if I'm absolutely honest. It looks quite straightforward. You've got your glasses. I'm not sure if they're the right ones, but there you go. And we've got a Perspex block. And over here we have 3 metal plates. I imagine they are corner plates for the actual main frame that goes around the outside edge. But there's only 3 of them, so would that be right? I'm sure... Well, we'll find out. We will find out. There's only 3 spaces, so I imagine that is correct. Anything else in there? Oh, and we got a printer style cable for USB. Anything else in there? Nope, that is it in there. They did say they're going to send me the honeycomb, but the honeycomb isn't there. That was a separate thing, mind. Yeah, that's an extra. Now, you can buy the 10-watt version of this. Long arrays 10. Long arrays 5, 10-watt version. And if you want the 20-watt version later, you can buy the upgrade. Which then you have to do all the air assist and stuff separately as well. I believe that is correct. I think that's what I read somewhere. It's obviously from China, like everything these days, unfortunately. But quality-wise, on the face of it, I'll know more when I start putting it together. That'll be a different video. But on the face of it, actually looks quite good quality, to be honest. The extrusions are nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. We've got 3 plates. I thought it'd be 4, but obviously it's I bet that becomes part of the plate maybe. I thought there'd be 1 for each corner, but obviously not, because there's only 3 places for it to go. So it is correct. And our power supply and the cable. So okay, so they're all the bits. Let's lay them out. And the location, it's bang my head, is going to be here underneath the computer. So you can see on there, well, I don't suppose you can, it's be so tiny on that screen, but that is where it's going to be located, over behind me, over there, because I want it quite close to the computer. And it's going to get used on quite a regular basis. So we've got our 4 frame parts. We have the actual carriage rail, which will carry the actual laser head itself. We have, obviously, our bundle of bits, and then we have our controller with the on-off button and what have you. Which should be on the face of the machine. So all in all, that's pretty much it. So that's my unboxing and packing of the longer Raise 5 20-watt laser. And we will be putting it together. And we'll be doing some tests with it at some point as well. And yeah, I hope you will join us on that journey too. So anyway, over and out from me, or should I say, toodaloo!